currently, what time is it? Anybody know what time it is?
Yeah, 5:45.
It is 5:45 in the morning, and in reality, it's 4:45 in the morning because daylight savings time like switched back last night, I guess. So we're at the Circle K on our way to the track. Needed caffeine and food. I started my day off with Frosted Flakes, breakfast of champions. You know how it is. Let's go racing. Good morning, you sexy race car. How you doing? How are you doing, sweetheart? Hello. One thing that we do every Sunday before race day is get the spare short block that's fully built, has a rack in it, completely ready to go out just in case we need it. So Austin comes up to me this morning and was like, hey, you want to get the spare short block out? I was like, sure, why not? He said, go check with Marbles and see which one he wants to get out. And so it's standing there thinking about it. I'm going to take a wild guess and say the one that has mags, plug wires, and a rack in it is probably the one he wants, but I had to double check because, you know...
The reason we're choosing this one, come here.
The yeet cannon.
This is the yeet cannon.
I think we should just put this one in for first drawing straightaway.
Oh, yeah, naturally.
The problem is every time we decide to be ready, we have to use it.
It's also block 120.
Well, that's very cool. Our number's 121.
I know,
Welcome to the
one
team.
number off.
That's my number.
Hold on. Zoom in on this. No, come here. I'm not going to touch you. I'm just wondering how that chalk marker was this morning.
I agree, Tyler. I agree. Slacking off?
I took a tumble. Look, there's my skid mark. Right there. Look at it. It said, on the ground. Hit the old shin. Taking a breather.
So that a torque wrench doesn't end up through the window of the motorhome?
Yeah. This is called controlling your inner thoughts.
You into hot yoga now or something? Is that what's going on here?
Yeah. That was, just took a little tumble.
Alright, so me and Marbles had to tear the car down because Dad decided he wants to put different gaskets on it because the weather is so different from last night. But me and Marbles are doing really good together. We can have this car apart down to that in 7-8-ish minutes. So we're really happy with that. We're just waiting for Dad to come back outside and pick gaskets, and we're gonna put her back together. That sunrise isn't a great start to a great race day. I don't know what is. Alright, we are probably 5 minutes away from starting it, maybe more. Dad said 2 minutes, so really gonna be 10, maybe 15. But car's all ready to go. She's all tuned up and mean and ready to go. So just gonna wait on Dad and then warm her up. Let's go racing, boys. Boogity, 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 boys. Let's go racing. All right, here we go. Come on. That's something that we could have ran. Dang it. Funny car went up in smoke. Oh, what happened? Oh, that sucks. That sucks. So as per Austin, the number 4 main on this crank has a crack about yay long on it. So Austin and Marbles are going to be working on putting the good old yeet cannon in. And being ready for that, and then me and Gabe are going to be working on packing up and putting stuff away and It is currently 12:12, so let's see if we can't be out of here by 3-ish, maybe 4. 3 might be optimistic. So if anyone needs me, pretty much no you don't. I'm gonna be dead for the next day and a half. But what a freaking weekend, dude. That Gainesville Raceway has left its mark, or Terry Haddock Racing has left its mark on Gainesville Raceway, or Gainesville Raceway has left its mark on Terry Haddock Racing. I'm not really sure which. 2 3-second runs in a row, nearly a third if we had gotten to run last night, and literally like 12 of the 16 nitro cars that ran in that left lane first round smoked the tires, so we aren't too worried about it. What's next? Pomona is next in 2 weeks, and you guys know we had some fun there last year, so we'll go, keep trying to be consistent, make this thing a 3-second bracket car. It was such a cool experience this weekend getting that 3, so we are over the moon excited, and God's not going to give it all of it to you at the same time, the same moment, so that's why we didn't get any round wins today, but we did get 2 3s this weekend. So on that note, I'm going to go fall asleep for the next 36 hours, and I will see you guys in Pomona, or maybe before if I get bored and work on a dirt bike. On that note, see you guys soon. Never give up. Mr. Gravy, you got enough gravy there?
No, you can never have enough. Yeah. You can never have enough.
She's like, yeah.
Really good. Gravy's good.
From the hotel with them.
It's good.